Ito na naman kami guys. Maghahanap kami ng dental doctor para kay Ruhil. Nakailang doctor na ako guys. Nakailang clinic na. It's not really works kasi nga sa ano ng anak ko, status niya. So by this time, we are going to find a doctor na specialist sa mga spectrum. So titingnan natin kung ano. Kahapon nung tinry ko si Ruhil na dalhin doon sa isang clinic na yon, mabait naman yung doktor, okay naman na na-injikan siya ng anesthetic. Kaso nung time na bunutin na, hindi niya kinaya, 4 times siya nag-try, na failed talaga ang doktor kasi nagkakaroon si Ruhil ng anxiety, and then of course matotrauma siya. So we need to find this. Ito yung pinakamahirap kasi lalo na sa mga family na hindi naman talaga afford yun kasi ang laki-laki ng gagastusin sa per bunot lang. Magkano na, like for example, ang minimum ay 1K, o like for example may problema pa dyan, x-ray lahat. Kung kulang tayo sa financial, isa din sa ngayon ko lang na realize to na sa ganitong edad ni Ruhil, kasi nung last na nagpabunot siya, kaya lang ng normal, regular na clinic ba, na dental clinic. Pero this time, hindi na talaga kakayanin at the age of 14 years old. 4 na kami kahapon ang humahawak sa kanya. Hindi talaga nag-success ang operation sang doktor. Lalo na nagsabay-sabay ang 3 ipin. So 2 lang ang pwedeng tanggalin. Yung mga batang may spectrum, sa totoo lang iiwas nga natin sa mga synthetic na medication. Kasi hindi naman maganda yan talaga ang epekto sa kanila. Pero no choice tayo, necessarily kailangan talagang gawin. Like anesthetic, 10 sedation ang bata para mabunutan ng ipin. Ang problema pa, maghahanap ng dental doctor na specialist para sa may mga spectrum disorder. Yon. Hindi rin madali hanapin kasi ang mga doktor na ganun. Okay lang kung surgeon doctor lang yan. Or okay pa nga mga pulmonary doctor, mabilis hanapin. Pero pagdating sa mga spectrum doctor, hindi naman neurologist, di ba? Mahirap talaga maghanap ng So pupuntahan namin, nag-iisang hospital lang na nandun na may available na na doctor. Not so sure din kung available din siya today. Hospital. Ay, ito. Hello, ate. Ate, anong oras po nagbubukas sila? Hapon. Hapon. Kay Dr. Los. Alam nyo ba guys, sa hospital na ito, talaga grabe, nakakamatay ang presyo ng bunot dito pag i-sedate ang pasyente. Grabe, hindi ko kinaya. Sobrang mahal, nakakaloka. Nakaka-stress guys. Diyos ko po! Hindi na namin alam anong gagawin. Guys, ang laki-laki ng problema ko. Maawa kayo. Baka naman isipin nyo, tatalon ako sa overpass na to ha. Ang anak ko pa, walang kaalam-alam kung anong pinoproblema ko. Guys, nakahanap nga ako ng dental doctor para sa anak ko. My gosh, sobrang laki ng babayaran, 150K. Saan ko hahanapin yan? Ito yung pinakamalaking problema ng mga parents na may mga autism. Kasi hindi basta-basta sila bubunutan lang ng simpleng bunot lang. Imagine, sa 3 ipin guys, gagastos kami ng 150,000. Saan namin kukunin yun? My God, nakakaiyak. Sa totoo lang, naiiyak ako. Hindi nyo alam gagawin. So for the meantime, dahil wala kaming budget para sa 150K, pa-cleaning muna ito. Cleaning na lang muna. para hindi siya ma-infect. So, tingnan natin kung ano, kung baga, gagawa ko ng paraan muna now. And then, maybe darating ang time na ready na siya para madali na lang bunutin. Nandito kami ngayon sa isang clinic pa nakita namin. So, sinusubukan ko talaga kung paano ito, kung kaya ba. Kaya, nakailang clinic na ako. Try natin. So, I tried to encourage my son. Good thing, nakita niya na mayroong doon, pasyente, ginagawa din yung ipin. So, babae siya, nakarelax lang siya. So, nakita niya, medyo nakasmiley na si Rohel. So, na-encourage na siya doon. So, titingnan natin mamaya kung So, guys, after ng lumabas kami sa private hospital, na sinabihan kami na i-cost like 150,000 pesos ang operation sa ipin ng anak ko kasi isi-sedate siya. Parang mangyak-ngyak ako. Kasi saan ako kukuha ng ganun kalaking pera? Diba? Pero hindi pa rin ako sumuko, guys. Ang goal ko talaga na mabunot yung ipin. That is my goal. That my son's tooth has to be taken off. Or else, he will suffer that pain. And again, I will get infected. And of course, he will annoy me every day. Kaya ang goal ko talaga na mabunot ang kanyang ipin. So, hindi pa rin ako sumuko. Last minute na we are on the way back home. Napaisip talaga ako na maghanap pa ako ng clinic. So yun nga, nang napuntahan namin na clinic, as in guys, nagpapasalamat ako kasi nagiging honest ako na may spectrum ang anak ko, and then tinry namin sa ibang clinic, as in unsuccessful. Tinuro talaga kami ni Lord na dun kami makarating sa kanya, na tinanggap niya. At ang sabi niya, sige, itry natin. Kung kaya niya, subukan na lang natin. Pero guys, nag-success talaga. As in, nakita ko yung courageous ng doctor. Sobrang, courageous. Pero, nung pagdating kasi namin, mayroong pasyente si doktora na ginagawa sa ipin. So, another din encouragement sa kay Hill na nakita niya yun kasi sabi ko, Hill, look at the woman. She is very brave. She just lying down quietly with the relax and let the doctor perform the surgery on her teeth. So, parang na-encourage, para yung nakangiti yung anak ko. Kaya, ayun, ready na siya. Okay daw, gusto niya daw. Ayun guys, hindi naman talaga madali, pero at least nagawa. So, nandito na kami guys. Nakasalang na si Rohel. Base sa aking observation, napaka-courageous ng doktor na ito, si Dr. Christine. And then, ang anak ko, na-encourage din siya. So, let's see kung anong mangyayari dito.
I will just let it dance a little, and then push it more, and then remove it. Okay?
Okay or not?
Okay.
So, one ice cream for each tooth.
Wow, you got three ice cream already. My gosh.
We're gonna start now? Not yet.
Yeah.
Not yet?
Yes.
Yes, we're gonna start. I'm good.
Let's start.
Inside your mouth, okay?
Wow, very good. See your teeth another side. Yan. Oh, that one basag na siya. Yan, need to pull it off. Ang kagandahan sa clinic na ito kasi kumpletong equipments, and din nakikita ng anak ko sa monitor ang kanyang ipin.
I'll show you, Kuya, your teeth. I'll show it to you so that you will know how it looks like. See?
Wow.
Those 3 teeth, that's the one you need to be pulled out. Kasi naman siya sa ipin, diba? Kasi imo na ilahusun tanan. Big no-no, bigay mo, Kuya. Why niya siya, di niya kaya. So, ang suggestion is 1 tooth at a time lang taliya. Para
One.
one tooth at a time.
Okay.
Kanang luoy man siya. So, Ato lang i-start is, which one do you want me to start, Kuya?
Yes.
Which one?
One.
The upper?
Was
Upper left?
Yes.
You want me to get this one? Because it's this one. Want that?
Yes, I want.
Okay, sige. So, you just follow my instructions, okay?
Okay.
Ang dami lang kong konti.
just relax, ha? You see, just now the lady didn't cry.
In L-O.
She's brave. Cry or not? Sige,
So,
try
Wala
natin.
siya allergies, di ba ma'am? Kina-injectionan man.
Oh, wala man. Wala siya allergies.
So, you're
Kasi
ready?
kahapon
You're
na.
brave. I believe in you.
Oh, look
Are
at
you brave?
doctor. Are you brave?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. High five.
Give a 5.
Okay.
Tingnan natin. Listen to the doctor,
Are you
ha?
good? Are you good?
Yes.
And I'm gonna turn
Parang
on the light.
na-excite sa yata dito.
I feel better.
Wow, good job.
Okay.
Wow, there's a magic cream, ha? Just like yesterday, Ken?
Yes.
Just relax, ha? Relax lang. It's not painful.
I promise you, I will not hurt you. I will just put medicine, okay? Okay.
Relax sila.
Just breathe.
Hawakan mo ulo niya. Ang ulo.
Relax, ha? Relax only again.
All happy.
See your teeth there, oh. Your teeth on the ano, oh.
I
See?
already put medicine on this part.
Yan.
I'm gonna put medicine on the other
Yan,
part.
the same one. Put the medicine on the other
It's just
side.
half month. You squeeze your head, squeeze. Ikaw man squeeze. Umot, squeeze.
Wow, massage.
Okay?
Grabe guys, ang encouragement, ang lakas ng loob ng dental doctor na ito. Siya lang talaga ang doktor na nagpapakita sa akin or sa anak ko na kaya niya. Gagawan niya ng paraan. Grabe ang determination niya na makapag-perform ng surgery na hindi naman sinidate ang anak ko. Sana naman no, sa ibang dental doctor, wag naman masyadong mamukhang pera na talagang nagdidemand ng ganun kalaki.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow.
Hindi madali bunutan ng ipin itong batang ito guys. Ang hirap talaga. Pero guys, ito, tingnan nyo kung ano nangyayari sa video. Nanginginig ang may hawak ng kamera. Honestly, hindi lahat na parents ng awesome child ay may kakayahan magbayad ng hundreds of thousands para lang sa ipin.
It is a word feeling only.
Ha!
Don't have the...
Okay, I'm sorry.
Don't have.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's almost not.
Ice cream will we eat later?
And there is an ice cream already. We already bought.
There is ice cream already.
Yes, we got an ice cream. We bought yesterday. Wow. Breathe in and out. Feel like that. Don't hold your breath.
Yeah,
Almost
okay.
done.
Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Really brain. Yeah.
Wow. Wow, very good. Wow.
Ayoko sa kuya.
Don't hold your, just relax your body. It's okay.
Ayoko na sub. Balik mo mag-usog siya.
Excited siya sa ipin niya. Oh, you wants to bring the teeth. You want to bring the teeth, right?
If you wanna bring it.
Wow, there's a stickers down here. Wow, inhale on the hill. Wow. It's your guys. Inhale, exhale. Breathe on the hill. Breathe on the hill.
Oh, that's it.
Yan, like that. One. Wow. It's coming out now. Yeah, very out already. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Inhale, exhale. Like that only. Hill. Inhale, exhale. Hill. It's the most important one.
Look at hapit na.
Wow, good job. See?
Wash na siya.
My God, ni ma'am, wala na balik.
Walang bali, ma'am?
Kaya pala.
Oh, yun, nahirapan pala.
Kaya pala medyo mahirap. Oo.
So don't worry, I'll put you.
Hala, grabe no.
You did great. You did great. High five. Okay, I'll put it in.
wash ko yan.
Yeah, we'll wash it. High five.
Wow, good job.
Hala, grabe galing ipon niya no.
See, did it pain, right? You feel pain or not?
Just the pushing, then the pulling, right? A little bit.
Oh, good job.
So I
Wow.
have a question.
Hala, gasang nga
Do you
nga
want
ako ano.
me to do the next two right now?
You want
me
or
to
not?
do it right now, this one or this one, or
Huh?
you want this one here?
Yeah.
One more? One more?
Yeah.
Kaya
Are you
yan?
ready? Okay. Sige, you can gargle and I'll put another muscle on. Okay? Kaya po mo.
May dala pala siya.
Tatlo yan eh.
Toothpick.
Oh, grabe ang yang ang ipon no.
Kakaibang ipin niya.
Kakaiba.
Murag scatter.
Diyos ko naman, iba yung shape ng brain. Ganun din ang ipin, no?
So you want one more? You want me to get one more? This one or this one on the top?
This one.
This is the one here. You want? Are you sure? You can do it?
This one, that's the one just now, that one. So which one? This one or this one?
This one.
See, you can do it, ha? I trust you. I believe in you. You can do it. Okay, so we're gonna do the whole process again. We're gonna put magic cream again, and we're gonna put the medicine again, and we're gonna wiggle the tooth and pull it out. Okay? You ready? Sige.
Wow.
So I'll just put this one, kuya, ha, to stop the bleeding.
Grabe ang yang ipon ko ano mo no.
Touch it.
Hindi straight.
Bugali hindi mahirap ibutin.
Okay. Medyo ko lang din ang ihang part sa bone na dito. Taglaman.
Kakaibang ipon niya.
It hurts? No. Kuwan lang dito. Ang antibiotic lagi mo pag umanom, ha?
Oo.
See? Just pushing it, okay? Just push it. Hurts this part? Or is it this weird?
Grabe yung bata.
Ano? Kung na-ready ko na. Sige, I'll put this one, ha? To stop the bleeding, okay? Work pa yan. Push, ready.
Please na. Wala. Bilan lang ito na. Duha
Ay,
na lang.
buha, pero...
Oo.
Hindi yan, sunod na yung ubos mo.
Isa na lang ulit ito. Kaya yan siguro yan.
I'm so proud of you, kuya.
Yes.
Ice cream na naroon.
Nana daw, what flavor is ice cream?
What ice cream?
Wow! In love.
Vanilla.
He must eat a lot of ice cream. I can let him eat. Next week, we'll exercise.
Okay, here. Doing great.
Good job.
Okay lang pala eh.
Ano si na ako.
Bravo.
Bravo,
Bravo. No. Later, I'll put it later. Don't worry.
Tigloan pa niya siya.
Don't worry. Put the magic cream again, ha? Put the magic cream again. Cream addition. Ako ka na po ito. Two.
That's it, that's it.
2, 3. You're doing it. Like that, follow me. Yeah, follow me.
Hindi lahat na doktor ay mayroon talagang lakas na loob to perform that. Normal man or hindi, kung ang ang dentist ay mayroong lakas na loob and then he believe himself, he believe herself, and also he trust God, and also know how to convince the
Magaling na okay. Check pa mo sa pa. It's just bitter. The medicine is super bitter. Yeah.
Super bitter.
Wiggle.
Wow, very nice.
Little bit lang, Mark. Like that lang siya. Push.
You just push it in.
So, na-realize ko na hindi talaga pwede tayong sumuko basta-basta lang.
It's just moving away. So
Iko-continue natin ang paghanap ng paraan or doctor na pwedeng makakita at mahanap natin na pwedeng mag-perform ng surgery sa kanila na hindi na kailangan i-sedate ang pasyente. 'Di ba? Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi siya talaga safe na i-sedate din eh. Oo, safe siya to perform surgery. Pero ang effect nun sa bata, 'di ba? Ang hirap nun. So, ayun. Imagine, naka-4 kami na dental clinic, guys. Ito lang ang nag-success kami. 5. Imagine. Talagang salute ako sa kay Dr. Christine. Pwede ko siya i-recommend. Pwede ko i-recommend ang ibang ano sa kanya. Kaso lang, nandito kami sa Cebu.
How many ice cream? One big tub of ice cream.
You can eat a lot. I let you eat a lot because you're a good boy.
How many Spider-Man stickers do you want? We got the vacuum na. Okay, good job.
Relax lang.
Pariyo.
Wait, kuya. Wait. Alam, remove it. Remove it.
Wala na balik.
Wala na. Remove it. And, okay naman, gargle. Gargle na lang. Wala yung nang... Same good siya.
Adirwan. Nulmog.
Same good siya, ma'am.
Grabe, no?
Like, longer kayo mo ng kapit. So, more pa? Gargle ka?
Gusto ko siya matanaw.
The other one. Yeah, we'll still clean it.
Ugasan sa kuya pa.
Similar, right? Like, very
Tanaw giniyayang ipon.
We're gonna clean it first.
Hindi ko gaya ang buwas ngayon.
Kaya siya.
Naong yan ang gato.
Lahi lang ko ano na kami.
Lahi ang iyong akong reforma sa ngipon.
Usually, anak lagi na siya.
Oo.
Kaya tayo, anak ba?
May anak po kido.
Hindi, ay ate ba?